Motorola Edge 50 Pro users in India, get ready. The latest Android 15-based Hello UI update is here, but it's not all smooth sailing. Rolling out in phases, this 1.77 GB update promises enhanced graphics and faster app performance, but there are a few bumps on the road users are facing after installing it. First up, the update introduces smoother visuals and quicker app loading times. Language switching is now easier than ever, allowing seamless toggling between languages. And Bluetooth connectivity gets a boost with new controls for pairing devices, switching between them, and monitoring battery status, all from the quick settings. Another exciting addition is satellite messaging. Now you can send texts even when there's no network signal, perfect for emergencies in remote areas. For those who rely on accessibility features, the update adds a dedicated tile for hearing devices, customizable sound profiles, and adjustable font scaling to make navigation even easier. However, not everything is perfect. Since the update, many users have reported sluggish performance and severe battery drain. Complaints have flooded Motorola's support page and popular tech forums like Reddit. Despite all the new features, it seems the performance issues are affecting many users, leaving them frustrated with the update's impact on their experience. Motorola hasn't yet released an official fix or patch to address these issues. For now, users are left waiting for improvements in the next update. Is your Motorola Edge 50 Pro ready for the Android 15 update, or will you hold off for a smoother experience? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. Until next time.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.